Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Kids, let's find missing numbers 1 to 20 with different colors. Kids, first we will learn name of the colors. Is green color, yellow color, blue color, dark pink color, light brown color, red color, dark brown color, orange color, violet color, sky blue color, dark green color. Now let's find the numbers. 1. Missing number is 1. Next is 2. 1, 2. After 2, missing number is 3. Number 3. And the next missing number is, tell me kids, 3, 4, 5. Missing number is 5. Now the next missing number is 6, 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. The missing number is 9. 8, 9, 10. The missing number is 11. Next is 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. Next is 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15. Next missing number is 17, 16, 17. 1, 7, 17. 18, 1, 9, 19, 19, 20. We have find the missing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here today we have find the numbers from 1 to 20. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.